Your grandmother's dishwasher had a stainless steel tub, a mechanical timer, and a wash motor built to run every day for 20 years. She never thought about it. It just worked. You buy a dishwasher today for $500. 18 months later, the control board fails. The manufacturer quotes $350 for the part. You check online. The part is discontinued. The machine is 2 years old and already unfixable. So you buy another one. Same brand, same price, same plastic tub that stains, cracks, and cannot hold heat. Same control board that will fail again in the same window. You are not buying a dishwasher. You are renting one. Today, we look at what manufacturers actually changed inside the machine, the brands that repair technicians refuse to service, and the one rule that separates a 20-year dishwasher from a 5-year disposable. The single biggest downgrade in modern dishwashers is the Tub E. Premium models use stainless steel, non-porous, heat-resistant, and warp-proof. A stainless tub lasts 10 to 15 years. Budget models use plastic. Plastic absorbs odors, stains, becomes brittle under heat, and cracks. Typical lifespan is 7 to 10 years. Then the controls. Older dishwashers used mechanical timers, a physical dial nearly indestructible. Modern machines use electronic control boards. When the board fails, the repair runs $150 to $400. Many manufacturers discontinue boards within 3 to 5 years of a model's launch. The machine works, one chip dies, the part does not exist, and the dishwasher is dead. The wash motor followed the same path. Budget models use lighter, cheaper motors. Failure costs $200 to $500. Combined with the control board and the plastic tub, the modern budget dishwasher has 3 single points of failure, any one of which totals the machine before year 7. American households spent 43% more on appliances in 2023 than in 2013. Prices declined 12%. The spending went up because the replacement rate went up. Samsung. In a survey of 15 appliance repair companies, multiple technicians named Samsung unreliable and difficult to service. Samsung restricts training to certified dealers, so independent shops cannot get parts or expertise. Many refuse to work on them. This is the same company that recalled 2.8 million washing machines in 2016. Samsung builds electronics. They do not build 15-year mechanical appliances. Budget tier. Amana lasts 5 to 7 years. Hotpoint is similar. Frigidaire low end lasts 6 to 8 years. Plastic tubs, basic controls. A $400 dishwasher needing a $200 repair hits the 50% rule. The fixed costs half the price of a new machine. The industry says replace. For a $400 machine, that threshold is $200. Even a moderate repair triggers replacement. The machine is not repaired, it is discarded. The parts. Desert. Manufacturers discontinue control boards and pump assemblies 3 to 5 years after a model ends production. The dishwasher runs fine. One component fails. The part does not exist. The machine is dead, not because it wore out, but because one piece was made irreplaceable. The dishwasher is not designed to break. It is designed to become unfixable. A $400 budget dishwasher lasting 5 to 7 years. Replaced 3 times in 20 years. That is $1,200 in purchases, plus $300 to $600 in delivery and installation. Total is $1,500 to $1,800. Cost per year is $75 to $90. A $1,200 Bosch 800 lasting 12 to 15 years. Replaced once. Total $2,400. Cost per year is $120. But one installation, one machine that dries the dishes. A $2,000 Miele lasting 15 to 20 years. One machine. Parts available 15 years after production ends. Total $2,000. Cost per year is $100. Same annual cost as the budget machine, except the Miele owner installs once and the budget owner installs 4 times. Spending $400 3 times is not saving money. It is paying $1,200 for the privilege of never owning a good dishwasher. The expensive dishwasher is the cheap dishwasher. Yale Appliance tracks real-world dishwasher reliability based on 33,190 actual service calls, not surveys. Over 7,000 dishwashers were tracked in the first 12 months. Number 3, KitchenAid. KitchenAid has a service rate of 8.2%, below the industry average of 8.8%. It uses a stainless tub and includes Pro Wash, an auto-adjusting cycle, with over 50 spray jets. Consumer satisfaction is above 93%. Prices range from $700 to $2,000. Number 2, Bosch 800 series. Service rate 7.8%. 11 out of 15 repair professionals named Bosch the most reliable brand, built in North Carolina. Bosch, Benchmark, and Thermador share the same platform. It has crystal dry zeolite drying, a stainless tub, and operates at 42 decibels. That makes it quiet and durable. Price ranges from $1,000 to $1,300. One warning. The Bosch 100 series uses more plastic and does not match the quality. Do not buy the base model. The 800 is the line. Number 1. Miele. German-made, reliability, and longevity. Service rate 5.6%, the lowest of any brand. Miele manufactures nearly every component in their own factory in Germany. Spare parts remain available for 15 years after a model ends production. The AutoDose system stores 20 pods and dispenses them based on soil level. Every machine is tested for the equivalent of 20 years of home use before it ships. Prices range from $1,000 to $2,800. Over 20 years, that is $100 per year. For $10 more per year than the budget machine, you install it once and never think about it again. 3 checks. The tub test. Open the dishwasher in the showroom. Knock on the interior. Stainless steel returns a solid metallic ring. Plastic returns a hollow thud. If the tub is plastic, you are looking at a 7-year machine. If it is stainless steel, expect 10 to 15 years. The tub material is the single best predictor of lifespan. The warranty test. If the manufacturer offers a 1-year warranty, they do not expect the machine to last. Bosch covers the tub liner against rust for the lifetime of the machine. Miele offers 2 years standard, extendable to 5 years or 10 years. The warranty is the manufacturer's bet on their own product. A short warranty is a confession. The service rate test. Before buying, search the brand's real-world service rate. Yale Appliance publishes actual repair data based on tens of thousands of service calls. If the brand's rate is above 10%, more than 1 in 10 machines needed service in the first year. That is not a dishwasher. That is a countdown. Here is the rule. Check the tub, check the warranty, check the service rate. If the tub is plastic, the warranty is 1 year, and the service rate is double digits, you are not buying a dishwasher. You are renting one with a built-in expiration date and no replacement parts. 2 dishwashers, same kitchen, same budget over 15 years. One is a Miele installed once, stainless steel, German engineered, running quietly for 15 years on components the manufacturer still makes. The other is the third $400 machine, plastic tub, third installation, third delivery fee, and a discontinued control board that killed the first 2. The only difference was 10 minutes of research before the first purchase. Subscribe.